Hello guys, this is your friend CryptoSats. Hope you all are doing well. I'm bringing you a video on how to do isolated margin and cross margin on Binance. So today I'm going to talk about how to trade in isolated margin because many has been wondering how to do that, because as you can see right now this is alts BTC market cap. So altcoins compared with the opposite of Bitcoin. So how it may perform in coming days? Well, to me it's looking very good. Like, yeah, we are just one bit of resistance right here. If we clear that, we may go till here, which we will see alts rally like hell, because it has dumped so much that it has a lot of way to go up. So this is an opportunity which comes once in a time, so you won't get this opportunity every time. So you make use of this opportunity here. It's going to nail it. The all pairs are going to go so huge that you will become very rich as compared to futures market, because in futures you are trading with USDT. So USDT is a stable coin. If you get profits in USDT, your profits will be the same value. In this case you will get profits in BTC. So as much as you accumulate BTC, it is very good that once you have accumulated so much BTC, once Bitcoin goes to its all-time high also, because this is not a top, this is not how a top forms. So so it has a lot way to go till 55,000. Example, if you like make profits in BTC of around of 0.5 BTC at least, it is gonna give you a hell of a profits. That's why I tell you to take in all BTC. So let's move on. So example, what I'm thinking right now is I'm looking at the Qtum BTC chart, which is available in isolated margin. So I want to take a trade on this. If I see I have a good support over here, so here it's a good support resistance which will act as a support now to give a SR flip. So I'm going to place my order over here at this somewhere around 975. So let's see how I do it. So let's go to Binance. This is Binance. Go to trade, click this trade option, go to margin, you can find it here. So I have gone, so it's available in cross. If in cross I want to take this, sorry, this is Bitcoin. Here on the right corner you just type your pair Qtum BTC. Here I can see in isolated margin I'm getting around 10x, so I want to take that. So now let's transfer BTC to this account, because it's a separate wallet. So you have to transfer your BTC in this wallet, then you have to borrow. That is what you get leverage. In futures market it is you get automatic, you get the loan, but in isolated margin you have to borrow. That is what you are getting the leverage for. So let's first transfer BTC to this. So here you can see transfer option. I'll just okay, I'll just cancel this. So okay, so let's transfer some BTC to my from spot wallet to my Qtum BTC isolated wallet. So here right now it's in Qtum, so I want to transfer BTC. Okay, I don't have BTC right now, so let's go and grab some BTC. I'll go to, I have some ETH which I'm going to convert into BTC for this trade. So I have, I'm going to sell 2, so I want to trigger it fast. Yeah, now I have BTC. Let's go again to Qtum. Sorry guys, I didn't check that BTC was not there in my spot wallet. So yeah, so now I'm going to go to isolated margin. I always have to select isolated or cross. Cross I am getting just only 3x, in isolated I'm getting 10x, so that's good. So I'm going to transfer some BTC to this account. So I'm going to select BTC. I have 0.08, so I want to invest, let's say 0.08, and I need to borrow now. So in order to borrow you can use this option, but this would be a bit of confusing. So as you can see, in my isolated wallet of Qtum BTC I am having a 0.08. so this is my initial capital. So I need to take leverage. To take leverage you have to borrow funds, so I'm going to borrow. So here you can, after your trade is closed, you have to repay. So in order to transfer your funds back to spot wallet from the isolated wallet, so I want to borrow BTC so that I can buy Qtum. So as of now Maximum I can borrow 0.36 with 0.08, so I'm going to borrow 0.2. I don't want to take much leverage, so confirm borrow. So now you can see I have 0.28 BTC, so I can take trades worth of 0.28 BTC. So I'll go, let's check the chart where can we place a buy entries. So 975 is where I'm gonna place. So here click that, place it. You have to always always make sure it is in normal, because if you give in borrow or repay, it will borrow the funds. So always make sure it's in normal. So limit price 975, and I'm going to take a 100% trade here, that is 0.28, or you can enter manually also and buy QTM. So now my order has been placed at 975, right? So yeah, you can see it here, my order is placed over here. So I will wait for it to trigger. So once you have triggered, how to place stop loss? Well, to me basically I wouldn't place stop loss in alts BTC, because it is a bit of volatile market, so you won't get much of loss. Even though if you want to place stop loss, so you have to wait for the trade to trigger. In this case I want to place my stop loss just below this support here. So 950 is my stop loss. So in order to place this stop loss 950, I have to again go to this. Here you can see stop limit. You can click that, or click this OCO. OCO order means you can place your targets and stop loss at the same time, because it is not like a futures trading, it's a bit of different. So in this isolated OCO order, I can place both my target. This first column is for target and this both is for stop loss. So in order to place target, so my target is around, let's see where we can place a target. I am expecting a target over here, so that should give me around 26%. So my target is 1230. So here click that, 0.0001230. so this is my target, and my stop loss is 950. Let's go to this. Here make sure you follow this 950. So many people are having doubts whether what to put in this limit price. So actually what actually this is, when a market suddenly dumps, you wouldn't get a buyer at this particular price. So in order to make sure your stop loss triggers at the best price, you have to place it, you have to give it a range. So when the price falls to that range, your stop loss will be triggered in any available price at that range. So in this case, first one is 950, so I'm putting here as 940. So I have a 10 points of range. So anywhere in that range I get a price, it will be my setup will be closed. Then after your order is triggered, this order, you will have QTM here. Go put it to 100%. You'll find it as a, now it's not triggered, so it's not showing in, here. So after you get, put it to 100% and just click sell QTM. So your stop loss and target both will be placed. So once the trade is over, you will again get the BTC over here. So what you have to do is go to again this borrow, click this. After your trade is closed, either your stop loss or target hits, after that you have to repay. So here first we have borrowed, so now we have to repay the loan. So go to this, select the pair which you want to repay the loan to. So here QTM BTC. So here coin, I have to select BTC. So as of now my borrowed amount is 0.2. So here it will show you this wallet how much ever BTC you are having. So you have to repay the loan. After that you may just click transfer and just change it to QTM BTC to spot wallet, and select BTC and transfer the available BTC to your spot wallet, and you can withdraw to any exchange or whatever you want to do. So hope you guys understood how to use isolated margin, because now it's a very good opportunity guys. Just follow and let's make money. Thank you.